Hey guys, JD from ToyWiz.com, and today we're breaking the brand new Yu-Gi-Oh set, Shining Victories. A lot of people have been looking forward to this set. It's bringing a lot of the Cosmo cards back into play, really reinvigorating that deck, primarily with Cosmo Dark Lady, Cosmo Dark Planet. Additionally, the Blue Eyes deck is back in a big way. We have Blue Eyes Spirit Dragon, we have Blue Eyes Twin Burst Dragon, and we have Sage with Eyes of Blue. So, 5 cards right off the bat. 2 themes people are really excited about. Also, we have Ghost Reaper and Winter Cherries, which people are really excited for. It's a tough to get secret, but hopefully we'll pull one here. And Crystal Wing Synchro Dragon, another big one. Also, we have a new Mirror Force, Drowning Mirror Force. This one I think is going to last the long haul. This is definitely going to be playable in the meta for a while. But enough talking. We got 24 packs. Let's crack them. All right. Hopefully we get some good stuff here. Again, standard 9 cards per pack. You're going to get a rare and a super. Let's see what we get. So we've got Cosmo Lambwalker here and Fusion Tag. Put comments up over there. So I'm really excited for this set. People have been waiting for this for a while. These 2 decks, I think, are going to be big. Very big. Spirit of the Fall Wind and Moonlight Leo Dancer. Sorry if it's a bit hard for me to read them. The glare from the lights make it tough sometimes. Alright. I'm going to attempt. This is too hard. I'm not going to read all of them. It's hard for me to read with the camera and lights. So unless it's a big poll, I'll let you guys just view it and read it yourselves. Hence why I'm doing each one of these individually. So you guys excited for this set? I mean, you have to be. It's going to be a good set. The past few sets have all been solid. I really think Yu-Gi-Oh is really coming into a nice rotation now. Lots of playable decks, lots of good cards. And the new format I definitely approve of. Ultimate rares and secret rares, while cool looking, did not add much to each set. Certainly for a retailer like myself, made things slightly more complex. Our first Ultra, start off Cipher? How do you pronounce that one? Cipher. Divine Dragon. Cipher. And leave it to Yu-Gi-Oh to make very complicated words. Very few letters. Red Eyes Toon Dragon. Long time coming here, right? Love that art. So I like the new format with a lot more super rares. Yeah, they're not worth as much, but the consistency I think makes a lot of them. And quite frankly, I don't miss Ghost and Ultimates. I know if you're trying to really pimp your deck out, make it look awesome, those were nice. There we go, one of the big ones. So, Drowning Mirror Force, great looking card. I definitely think this is going to see quite a bit of play, and for a while. Unless the meta really shifts, I don't see that not being played, at least semi-regularly. Priest of Blue Eyes, Eyes of Blue, I'm sorry. Probably the best super of the set. I'm sure people will debate that, but as of right now, Definitely a good super to pull. Our second Ultra. Sorry. Lunalight Panther Dancer. Next up. Alright, nothing terribly exciting. So I'm hoping for Dark Lady, of course. Or Ghost Reaper. Also be great. Cattle Call is neither of those. So somewhat less excited. So,